What's up everyone? Today I want to talk about another opportunity to make money online with this website called ClickASnap. Now you may or may not have heard of this platform before, but basically this platform says that you can make money from people just viewing your photos. So they don't even have to actually buy them, they just have to view them and you can make some extra money. But is this platform actually legit? Is it a scam? So I'm going to dive a little bit more into this today. So make sure to stick around to find out if this is something that you should actually look into. And if you find value in this content, then make sure to check out the links in the description for ways to support the channel, or all you got to do is hit the like button and help the channel grow. So let's not waste any more time and let's go. So I won't waste your time like other YouTube videos, and I will give you a summary of my thoughts on this website. I do think that this platform is worth checking out, but there are some conditions that you should be aware of, and today I will share what I like and don't like about this platform. Ultimately, you can use this website to make money from your photos that are currently not making you any money because they are sitting on your phone. I did find some people who have actually made money on this site, so it is possible, but it takes a lot of patience and commitment to make a substantial amount of money. The main positive of this platform is that you can do all of this working from home, and all you need is your phone and computer. Now, what can really change the game and make things interesting is if you could not only upload pictures from your phone, but also use AI generated images to make money on this platform. So can you use this website to make money with AI images? The answer is actually yes, and I found some more information about this on their website. Here's what they had to say. So they say that they believe all kinds of creators should have space to share their work, as long as the content you share is your own and it falls in line with our community guidelines, then we welcome it. And then from doing some more research, I also found out that recently they allowed the opportunity for you to use the paid per view benefit with AI generated images. So that means that the images that you create through AI can actually make you money just by them getting viewed, not necessarily by them selling it. Now they do say that you need a pro account to be able to do this, and I'll talk about the pro account a little bit later in the video. So if you are interested in exploring this option, there are several websites that exist for you to create AI images, and here are 3 websites that you can check out to get started. Using AI images to make money online is becoming a very popular option, and if you would like me to do a full video breaking down how to get started with this side hustle, then definitely like this video and drop a comment. Now, will this replace your day job or make you a ton of money? Maybe or maybe not, but like any side hustle, it all comes down to time and effort. If you have the time to consistently upload photos and make the effort, then you could make some decent money. Now you might be thinking that this site is only worth it for photographers with expensive cameras, but the great thing about this site is that you do not have to be a professional photographer. Some of the most advanced cameras in the world are sitting in your pocket right now if you have a smartphone. Think about it this way, if you are already uploading your photos to Instagram or other social media sites, then you are doing this for free. Why not make some money on the side? But like I said, there is some important information that you should know about this website, so now let's dive into a quick background about this platform. Before we continue, if you are like me, then you are always looking for a quick and easy way to make a few bucks in your spare time, and that is why I love Survey Junkie. So if you want to make a few bucks from your phone, then use the link below in the description to create a free account and start making money from your couch. You can also check out my Survey Junkie review to see how much money I have made. So ClickASnap says that it is the only platform in the world where you can get paid when your photos are viewed. Now, according to the website, it's supposed to be extremely easy for you to earn money on this platform. All you have to do is upload your photos, and then people view your photos, and then you get paid. Now they do say this is a really unique way for photographers to do what they love and make money at the same time, but it isn't only for photographers. Anyone can sign up for this platform and to make money on it. They even give you a little comparison to show you how they rank with other platforms that are photo sharing sites. So with other platforms, they don't have monetization, but apparently ClickASnap has a platform where you can get paid when your photos are viewed, and they give you unlimited storage. So it seems pretty straightforward. They say that they're trusted by thousands. You can get paid quickly. It's completely free to use. You can get high payouts. So they pay 40 cents when your photos are viewed. Once again, they have support, and you can even have what's called a pro account. Now, as a side hustler myself, I'm always looking for ways to make money online that's fairly easy, that I could just do from the comfort of my home. And so far, this sounds like a really good opportunity. It seems that I could just take the hundreds, if not thousands of photos that are on my phone, upload them to this platform, and then if anybody views my photos, then I will get paid for it. But I am curious if this is actually legit and if it's going to be something that's worthwhile to pursue. So let's talk a little bit about if this is actually a legit platform. At least from my research, I have seen that this platform is legitimate. It's not necessarily a scam, that this company is real. But one of the things that does kind of throw me off is that there are different amounts that you can get paid for the photo. So for example, right here it says you can get paid 40 cents You can get paid 40 cents per photo that's viewed. But then on another page it says you can get paid 90 cents per photo that's viewed. So I did a little bit more digging because of those price differences, and what I found out is that the amount that you can make per view really depends on your type of account. So there are free accounts, but if you have a free account, that's going to give you the least amount of money that you can make from each photo that's viewed. But then if you have something like a pro account, then you're actually going to pay for ClickASnap, and that's going to allow you to make up to 90 cents per paid view. And so for example, here it tells you that this is how much you would have to pay per month for you to be able to get that 90 cents per paid view. So something to definitely keep in mind. The other thing that I'll just mention really quickly about the platform is it does allow you to sell your photos as well. So if you want to just take your photos and sell them, especially if you're a photographer, or if you have a bunch of photos that you just want to get rid of and see if you can make some money, you can sell them. But again, they say that for you to be able to sell, you will have to pay to use the platform. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. This platform, if you are willing to pay to play, could be something that possibly could make you a lot of money, or it could be something where you can make some money from all the photos that you have sitting on your phone. But for me personally, it's not something that I would do because of the whole aspect of having to give money so I can get money. So hopefully this is a platform that could work for you. And thanks for watching. Make sure to check the links in the description for ways to support the channel, or just hit that like button, and I'll catch you in the next video.